Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to do some math using a spreadsheet. Using the spreadsheet that we made today, I want you to graph velocity by the person's name. So first of all, I have to find velocity. So as we discussed, I'll just go over it real quickly. I have to tell the computer to do the mathematics. So I hit equals button, parenthesis. I know I want velocity, which is distance. Hover over and click on it, divided by using the division sign. Time. Click on that one. And parentheses, hit enter. Now, I go back to that box and I hover over that little blue box in the corner. When I turn into a plus sign, I hold the mouse button down, I click and hold, and I drag down to the last person, to Daniel. I let it go, and now I have all the velocities calculated. To insert a graph, I just highlight the name using holding down the mouse button and dragging across, highlighting everybody that I want to graph down to Daniel. Once it's highlighted, I go up to the insert button and I insert a chart. And I pick the type of chart, and I want a bar graph. So I want to customize it. I want to change the name because I don't want velocity versus name. That's a silly name. So I'll just call it velocity. Like that. I want to make sure everybody's name's on there, so I'm going to go to the slant and make sure they're up and down vertical 90 degrees. So that includes everybody. I don't really need a legend, so I will take the legend off. And right here, just take it off. No legend. That'll be fine. Blue is a fine color. Move this thing out of the way. Blue is a fine color. Then I say insert. I want to put it on its own page. So I come to the top of the graph itself. Pull it down, and I see this little arrow, drop down arrow. I click on it, and I say move to your own sheet. That will put it on its own sheet. I can give it a name if I'd like. Let's just rename it, call it velocity, 6th degree velocity. And that's it. I'm done. I can go back to the sheet, look at the sheet. I can go to the 6th grade velocity graph there. If I want to graph it, I can graph it. I can save the image as a JPEG and then email it to me or print it off. However you want to do it, that's your business. But just a quick screencast for you. Thanks.